10 things you can do with seamless on set. One of the most versatile things you'll use in photography and video. You're going to want to see this. If you want to make the transition from just natural light to strobe light, get our Mastering Studio Strobes download. It's at theslantlens.com. It's going to teach you what strobes you should buy, how to use them, and has all kinds of lighting setups. It'll help you perfect the skill and be using strobes in no time. So get over to theslantlens.com.
I can't believe I'm even here with you. I think it's time to change my point of view. I'm gonna drive right into the ocean and slip over.
Hi, this is JP Morgan. Today on The Slanted Lens, we're going to take a look at seamless paper. 10 things you can do with seamless paper to make your photographs more interesting and your video more exciting. So first off, what is seamless paper? I've been using seamless since I began my career years and years ago. It's simply a roll of paper that comes in 9-foot or 12-foot lengths. You can roll out to give yourself a clean background. All the colors you can imagine. Savage has been making seamless for years. I've used them from the very beginning of my career. A few quick tips on how to set up your seamless. First off, you've got two C-stands, one on each side, and your C-arm goes into the sides of the seamless. You can tell if your seamless is straight or not by whether or not the gap between the stand and the seamless is the same all the way from the top to the bottom. If that gap gets narrower, then the right side's got to go up. If that gap gets wider, then the right side's got to come down. It's a very simple way to tell if your seamless is going to roll out evenly and right onto the floor. I always tape the very end of it with a little bit of tape to be able to hold it into place, and you've got to put a clamp up on the top, because if you don't, the weight of the seamless will roll itself all the way out on the floor, and I've seen that happen a few times in my life. So a clamp on the top will make sure that your seamless is not going to roll out. You can roll it one of two ways. You can roll it underneath, which is my preferred way to do it. It gives you it hangs easier that way, rolling it underneath. But if you flip it over and roll it forward, which I've done in some cases, it gives you a piece of paper that goes higher. Because if you roll it underneath, the roll gets in the way and it blocks off the top of your frame. If you roll it over towards the front, now that roll over, push it right up to the ceiling and you get that paper right to the ceiling and the roll doesn't get in the way. Seamless has a cardboard roll that's rolled onto, so you don't have to have a pole that goes all the way through it. You can just put your C-arms in from the sides and support your seamless just fine. This is a little trick I picked up a long time ago. If your seamless isn't rolled up very tight, just roll it up, and when you get to the top, just keep rolling it over and over and over again, and eventually tightens it on the roll till it's super tight. That's an easy way to get it nice and tight back on the roll so it'll go back in the box. Seamless makes a great sweep, which is a background that's going to cover a full body image from top to bottom. You sweep it out underneath your model. So now it goes onto the floor in the foreground. It makes a nice cove in the background. So it's just a nice smooth transition and you don't see a hard background floor. It's made for just to be floating on a void of color or of whiteness.
Nothing ever seems to go my way, so I need to find a place to play.
So here are 10 things you can do with seamless on set. Number 1, you can slice it into spirals and make an exciting background like we got right here. Number 2, it's okay to let your seamless roll out and expose the roll at the bottom of the shot. You let people know that you're in a fantasy world. It's kind of a cool look. Number 3, fashion photography. You get that deep gray in the background, your clothing pops off from it, it just looks incredibly nice. Even in the colored seamlesses, looks really good. Number 4, you can make great props on set with seamless. It's paper, you can cut it up, you can make shapes, you can cut things out of it, you can make it into flowers or a great vest and bow tie. Number 5, you can take 2 different colors, cut them and tape them together, and now you've got a great juxtaposition in the background. That's a fun thing to play with different dresses, different colors. It's just a really, really fun concept to play with. All the great seamless creations you've seen today were done by Julian Morgan. Number 6, it's great to paint on. You can splatter paint it, you can paint murals on it, you can do a lot of different things with it because it's paper you can paint on and use, and then you just throw it away. It's a great surface for painting on. Number 7, you've got a green screen color that can be used for doing green screen for video and or for still photography. Number 8, making texture in your background. Your seamless doesn't always have to be smooth and flat. It can be crumpled and textured and give a really interesting kind of gritty background. I've done that a lot. Number 9, if you want to isolate your talent from the background, you can use a seamless. Roll it out, and it's just an isolation of your talent amidst the background of the world that they're in. And because it's paper, it doesn't cost you a fortune if you have to replace it. You just cut off the bottom because people have walked on it, it's gotten dirty, roll it out, and you go on to your next shoot. You can also use it on location when you go to an office and shoot some corporate executives or shooting headshots. It just becomes a simple studio. Any room becomes a studio when you roll down a seamless. Number 10, I love this one. You can jump through it for a fun movement experience. I've done that a few times in video, and here it is. Action. So there you have it. Look at 10 different ways to use seamless. There are many ways to use seamless. You'll come up with your own, so share them with us in our Facebook group. Join that group. You know, Savage has over 65 colors. So all those colors, they can match your client's logo color. There's so many things you can apply seamless to. Go to our affiliate links with B&H and Amazon where you'll be able to order your seamless and have it delivered right to your house. You don't have to try to go get it and get it hauled around. They'll ship it right to you. So tell us in the comments your most interesting experience using seamless. We want to hear from you. So keep those cameras rolling and keep on clicking. Thanks for watching our seamless video. We had such a great time doing it. All those different setups, it was fabulous. It was a lot of fun. Savage was a great partner. In fact, they've offered to give away up to a 12-foot seamless to a winner. Anybody who follows us on Instagram and likes us on Facebook will be automatically entered to win until February 7th. You can win any seamless you choose in the United States. So get over there and like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram, and you're entered to win. Make sure you subscribe to the Slanted Lens. We're tearing it up over here. Don't get tangled up in other photography channels. It's nothing but order here. Subscribe to the Slanted Lens.